We all have seen water draining from a sink or a pool or a basin, but have you ever wondered why this water drains in the direction it does? Does this direction in which the water swirls has anything to do with Earth's rotation? Okay, let's do it. It's the Coriolis effect. The Earth is constantly rotating about its axis from west to east, and it's bulged at the equator. So a point in the equator has to travel farther a day than the points in the poles. So it must go faster. Imagine that we have a paper airplane that can fly thousands of miles. Now, if we throw the paper airplane towards the northern hemisphere, you would all expect that the paper airplane would travel in a straight line, but it won't. Since you are at the equator, you and your plane would be spinning around the Earth's axis faster than the northern hemisphere. When you throw the plane, the spinning momentum is conserved, and so the plane would actually land somewhere to the right. Similarly, when you throw the paper plane towards the southern hemisphere, it would get deflected to the left. Like this, the air moving from the high to low pressure in the northern hemisphere is deflected towards the right, and similarly, the air moving from the high to low pressure in the southern hemisphere is deflected towards the left by the Coriolis force. This apparent deflection of objects with the Coriolis force is called the Coriolis effect. The Coriolis effect is named after Gustave Coriolis, the 19th century French mathematician who first explained it. Faster moving objects like planes and rockets are also influenced by the Coriolis effect. Pilots must take the Earth's rotation into consideration while charting flights over longer distances. Also, due to this Coriolis effect, hurricanes and storms swirl in anti-clockwise direction in the northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere. Now back to our initial question. Does the water flowing down a drain is influenced by the Coriolis effect? The Coriolis effect does play a role here, but it's just really tiny relative to other effects. We are not going to see the results of this effect in a bathtub or a sink or a pool because there are other sources of angular momentum which would totally wash out this effect. But if we have a perfect basin and a completely still water, the Coriolis effect will make the water swirl in different directions in the two hemispheres. Please subscribe to our channel for watching more videos like this. Thank you.